Hello, it's Wednesday. Guess what came in the mail on Saturday? I'm actually filming this on Saturday, but you're watching it on Wednesday. This is goodies from the Swap with Lucy. It's very heavy. I don't know what's in here, but it's heavy. What I sent wasn't this heavy. So I'm cutting it open now very, very carefully. I'm trying not to look, but I'm feeling as I cut because I don't want to cut anything important. Okay. Oh, and it's inside another bag from there. I smell something really good. And it's in another bag. So we'll cut open this bag. I'm feeling very guilty right now because I didn't package it this well. Okay, here we go. I can smell something that smells really good. I'm just going to start pulling things out a little at a time. So, the first thing, oh, this is what I'm smelling. Wild Huckleberry Pillow Puffs. Oh, this is from Rocky Mountain Candy. And they're like the little peppermint puffs, but they're called Wild Huckleberry Pillow Puffs. Oh, yum. This is what I was smelling. Yeah, it's a berry smell. I have no idea what huckleberries taste like. We will have to try that out. That might be tonight's snack for Dave and I. Now let's see what else is coming out here. Oh, there's a project bag. It's by Bana and Bean. Here it is. How cute is that? Oh, and she stuck some tea in here too. Let's see what we got. We have Twinings Lady Grey. I love Earl Grey tea. And English, there's two of those. No, this is just a different one. Oh, and regular Earl Grey. And then we have two Irish breakfast teas. Yum. Love me some tea. And then we have this project bag. And there's something in the bag, too. Okay, again, here's the label. Bana and Bean. Oh, that is cute. There's a little label inside. And look at the stars. And then the outside here reminds me of the kerchiefs, like the Western type of kerchiefs. So there's something in here. Let's see what we got. Oh, cool. It is a ruler that is flexible. So I've never seen one like this. How cool is this? It fits down this small to fit into your notions pouch, but then you can pull it open to use it as a ruler. That is genius. I've never seen something like that. There's other things in this. And here is the bag designer is Amber Wood. There's her card. There's something smelling good in here too. Oh, and then here's trying to reverse this bag here. Here is a tape measure. Let me open this up so you can see it. Here's a tape measure that says knit knit. It's one of those pull-out tape measures with a little button on the back so you can retract it. I have to keep this away from my grandkids. This would be too much fun. So there's still some things in this little bag. Oh, isn't this cute? We have, it's in US size. It's a knitting needle gauge with a keychain and a little sheep on the front of it. There you can see him. And the back it's in millimeters, and on the front it's on US size. Oh, that is cute. Then we have, oh, these are pretty. We have some stitch markers. And the stitch markers, let me show them to you here. I love nautical things. So we have, and I like these type of stitch markers because you can use them as a progress keeper or a stitch marker. We have a little, let's see if I get the reflection off of it, a little starfish, and a second little starfish. And then we have a lobster, the type of clasp that's a lobster claw. So this is a progress keeper with an anchor on it. And then we have two with like blue gems on them. And there's two of those. Kind of remind me of like signal lights. So those are really, really pretty. I'm going to stick those back in this bag so I don't lose them. And there's still more in this bag. Wow, Lucy, you went overboard. There is Candy Cat. Oh, what is this? This is like Christmas. I'm betting these are scissors. Oh, I just about shot it across the room. Yes, it is scissors. Look at this. You push this little lever here, and the blade comes out. And then, let's see. There's still something else in here. Oh, and this smell. Maybe this is what I'm smelling too. Bee Bar Lotion, Honey House Naturals. It is a hand and body lotion bar. Oh, let's see what we got. Oh, okay, it's like a soap. And it's got a little bee on the front. Little honey bee. That is so cool. So it's a bee bar. Remarkable lotion, rich in shea and other natural oils and emollients. Warm the bar between your hands and apply generously to dry, damaged skin. Well, that's cool. So it's not like in a bottle. You just put it, that's nice because you can carry something small like this and just use it if your hands get dried out from like knitting and crocheting. Very nice. And then of course, like I said, we have the little project bag. And there's other goodies yet to come. She really stuffed this full. Look at oh, here's all kinds of natural stuff. This has smells too. I can smell things from it. So let's see. We have Cathay Gems Glycerin Soap in Rose Quartz. Oh, this is what I'm smelling. It's a glycerin soap. Look at that. It looks like jewel. That's my birthstone, actually. I was born in November. Looks like a topaz. So, but it smells, I love the smell of rose. Actually, I like the smell of most anything, but there is that in there. And then there is Cathay Lip Balm in Coconut. Ooh, that's a personal favorite too. I like coconut. That's nice. So we got some chapstick, lip balm. And then there is some additional soap, handmade soap and body lotion, or body soap. And it's lilac. I love lilacs. I used to have a lilac tree at my other house. My husband got it for me for Mother's Day one year, but by the time we moved, it was too big to take with us. So there is some lilac soap. I'm going to smell good. Look out, honey. I have to give Dave warning. He's going to have a good smelling wife. So there is still tons of stuff. Wow, I am like bowled over here. There's so many things. Here is Silverwood Theme Park. Oh, this is also a soap. This is wild huckleberry. Huckleberries must be something that's popular out in the state of Washington where she lives, because the candy was huckleberries too. So this is wild huckleberry moisturizing bar with shea butter. Very cool. And it's purple. So there's what the label, oops, there's what the label looks like. This thing is packed. There's more and more things in here. Mixed fruit slices. Okay, this is like the candied slices. It's from Country Mercantile Candy Company from Pasco, Washington. So it's mixed gummy fruit slices. This cute little package with the bow. All kinds of good eating stuff in here. I didn't put any food in mine. Oh, here's a card. I will have to read that in a few minutes. And now we come to the yarn. Oh no, there's something, yeah, to the yarn. And this is Yarn Fairy and the Pixies. Oh, she sent me fiber. Cool. Yarn Fairy and the Pixies. It's William WMD Ramble and blogspot.com. Here it is. This is the card. And this is the New England Fire is the name of the color. And it is in their fall collection, I guess. Here's the back. So it's got the color checked over here. So let's see what we got here. Yes, this is fiber to be spun. Oh, this will be fun. Look at these gorgeous colors. You know me, I love fall colors. Look at this. And I love New England. So it's a fiber bump or fiber braid. So I'm not going to do it, but you pull from one end and it unbraids itself and you can spin right from there. So here it is. It's showing up a little lighter than what it really is, but it's close. So it's got greens and blues and this really, really pretty kind of a goldeny brown in it. And yeah, the green is almost, it's not a forest green. It's kind of a dark, deep turquoisey green. And then it's got some gray in it right here and some lighter browns. And then it's got a dark brown, like a chocolate brown in it. Well, this is really pretty. Gorgeousness. This is going to be beautiful. So, yes, there we go. Yeah, those colors are pretty close there. There you can see it. The lighting's pretty good. So, this was exciting. So thank you so much, Lucy, for all of this. And I will show you guys the outside of the card. It has little owls on it. Okay, I'm going to read you the letter because it tells a lot of where she got some of these things. So, it says, I hope you enjoyed your package as much as I enjoyed putting it together. One of the iconic flavors of this region, which is the state of Washington, are huckleberries, so I got a couple of things with that flavor or scent. I would send you chocolate, but it would have melted in these temperatures. Yes, we have had temperatures in the upper 80s to mid 90s for like weeks now. Let's see. I haven't tried the fruit slices, but I thought it was something fun from the region. The bag from Bana and Bean, that's the little project bag. This little project bag is from a local maker. Her name is Amber. She has a podcast with Lydia of O Loops, so you guys might want to go check that out. We went to Silverwood, which is a theme park, and I got that yummy smelling soap there, and that is this soap here. from another newish store. They just had their first anniversary, and that was Knit Knit. I got you the tape measure and the bar lotion. So that would be this tape measure that says Knit Knit on it. And the bar soap, which was this. Or the bar lotion. The little scissors, which are these, came from yet another yarn fabric store that's called Sew Ease 2. The fiber here came from a local dyer, and she got that from one of their newest stores called the Hook and Needle Nook. The needle gauge, that is the little sheep needle gauge. It says on the back, it says Me Too Farm. That's what the stamp on the back says here. I got at my first fiber show that I went to this year with some friends in Idaho. So that's like the next state over. Since I heard you like nautical things and the sea, I got a couple of stitch markers with that theme for you. The little folding ruler I thought was fun and easy to carry in a project bag. And the soaps and lip balms, which are these, and the company, like I said, is called, it's an Irish name, so I'm hoping I pronounce it right. Cathasay. I will put it down here just in case I got it wrong. Let's see, where was I? Came from a woman who sometimes knits with our knitting group. So I hope you enjoy everything and enjoy the rest of the summer. Sincerely, Lucy. So this was fun. This was a really cool unboxing. So thank you, Lucy, for everything that you sent me, and it will definitely be put to use. Now I want to go take a bath. I know that was probably too much information, but I want to go test out my bath bar so I can smell good. So I'm thinking tonight a bath is in order instead of a shower, so I can use some of this. Yeah. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you on Saturday. And Saturday I have a absolutely humongous yarn haul. There was a fiber company. They had like spinning and weaving studios. It was a very large place. It was in business for years and years and years and years. It closed like 1.5 years, 2 years ago. It went out of business, and they had a final sale of what they had in stock because the building and the grounds are all going up for auction. So some of my knitting night partners and I went out to breakfast together, and then we went over to the sale. I got so much yarn, it isn't funny, because you know me liking a deal. Anything that was 50 grams was 50 cents. Anything that was 100 grams was $1. How could I go wrong? So, yeah, make sure you check out the video coming up on Saturday, and I will show you everything I got. So thanks yet again, Lucy, for a wonderful swap package here. And thank you all for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. And otherwise, I will see you again Saturday. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye-bye.